Hi, I'm Brian. This is an SAT math question involving lines and angles. So we're given these two lines here in the XY plane where line R is parallel to line S, and we're asked to find the value of G, the x coordinate of this point on line R. When we're told that line R is parallel to line S, first thing that should pop into your head here is that parallel lines have the same slope, the same steepness, the same rise over run, whatever you want to think of it as. So in this case, let's figure out what the slope of this is. The rise, or the change in y, compared to the change in x, you go up 2 and over 3. So the slope of both of these lines has to be 2/3. A couple different ways you can go from here. You could just count up 2 spaces and over 3 spaces and end up here. So if you go up 2 spaces, you're at +1 for the y value, and you go to the right 3 spaces, you're at -1. That's another point. You go up 2 spaces, up 2 spaces to +3, over 3 spaces. You kind of get what I'm getting at here. Y value is 3 because you added 2 to it. The new x value is 2. And then one more time you go up 2 and over 3. That gives you that y coordinate of 5. And when you went over 3, you ended up with an x coordinate of 5 as well, which would be equal to G. Another way to go about this is to just figure out how far all at once you went up and then work backwards to get how much you went over. So if we started at -1 as the y value, and we know we're going up to +5, that means we're rising +6. We're going up 6 spots, because it doesn't matter if you take the long way or you take the short way, the slope is going to be the same. So if we're going up 6, that means our rise basically was 3 times as big as the 2/3. Multiply this also by 3 on the bottom, and you go over 9. -9 over, -4 over 9 spaces to the right also gives you that value of +5 for the x coordinate.